Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name's Linda and I do post about fashion and travel, so if you're into that sort of thing, please do consider subscribing so we can be friends. And today's video is actually a shopping vlog. I went shopping and then these are purchases from Gucci and from Saint Laurent, so if you're interested in seeing what I bought, stay tuned for today's video. So I went to the Saint Laurent outlet, which is just so exciting because you get to buy things that would normally be like 30% more, but at this price. So I will show you what's in these 3 bags. Disclaimer, not all 3 bags are mine. So let's see what's in the first one. So the first one is, this one's my mom's. We were in like a hat mood, I guess, and so she bought this one. It is a Saint Laurent hat. It just is a SL, and then it has like the raffia here, and so it's very like summery looking, but I feel like you could still get away with it like in the winter. And it's just such a cute hat. And how fast I want to ruin my hair for today's video. I guess I'll just take one for the team. It's like set to like my mom's size, so I kind of look like, I don't know, really goofy right now, but yeah, it's, you get the gist. I'm not gonna put it all the way on, but like you have like the raffia right here, and then it's just super, just simple. It just has the SL. It's one of those like if you know, you know type of situation. So it's super, super cute. And I shall tell you the price. Did I mess up my hair? It is $495, but right now it was on sale for $210. So not too shabby for a luxury hat. And then I'll just go ahead and put her back in her dust bag. Okay, the next item, another identical, if you've never seen it, it's a black Saint Laurent. They fold this part over, then there's like usually like, yeah, a sticker or something. This one is, ooh, lost one there, for a friend of my mom's. And this one is typically $395 US, currently $169 US. And I'm also not going to put it on too much because I don't want to get it dirty, but just so you kind of get the gist of it, super, super cute. Again, has that SL for Saint Laurent. Not too crazy. I like that. I like these a lot too because I feel like oftentimes when I'm at the airport, I don't really want to be like, I don't know, I guess I kind of like being incognito, just because it's like I'm just trying to relax and like hide from the world, listen to my music, waiting for my flight. I tend to just have a hat, be very low-key, kind of hiding almost. Like I'm usually wearing like sweats and like comfy sneakers and then just a hat. Like it just makes me feel like, I don't know, sheltered or something. It's like a nice, comfortable feeling. And so this hat, on that note, I specifically bought pretty much for the airport, and obviously I'll wear it around. Like I can totally see myself just going around Paris. The material on this one, look at that. It's such a thick hat. Like right when I picked it up, I was like, whoa, that's got some weight to it. So this one is $495 US, currently $219. And this is what it looks like. It has just the SL, and I like this one. I feel like it's so casual, so like just like a very relaxed look. And so what I was thinking is, oftentimes I wear either like a black hoodie, black sweats, or like beige, and I feel like the black is just gonna go with everything. I'm loving this material. It's just like I might just want to keep this on for the full rest of the video. Like I just love it. You know what, I am gonna keep it on. I'm gonna wear it right now. That reminds me of like my great grandma. Like the second she would get something, she'd just use it instantly. Like if you gave her like a bag of chips, she'd just open it and start eating it. If you gave her a shirt, she'd be like putting it on. Like I just feel like that. Like I'm like, okay, now I'm just gonna keep this on for the rest of the video, price tag and all. Next, these items are from Gucci. They come in these bags, also from the outlet. And let me show you. Item number 1. Looks like I'm taking my hat off because this is also a hat. I was in a hat mood. I don't know what to say. I've just been in a hat mood these days. I just couldn't resist this one. It was so darn cute. So here it is. I fell into the bucket hat trend. Like this is just so cute though. Like I love the material. It's like this like denim-y material, and it's so pretty. It's dark. They had it in like different colors, and so I'm literally like looking at it, and there's a girl like, is this yours? And I'm like, it's gonna be. And she was like, can I try it? I'm like, yeah, sure. So then she was like trying it on, and she's like, I love it. And I'm like, I know, right? Like, it's just one of those items that I saw a lot of bucket hats out there, but a lot of them just didn't suit me. And so finally I found one that it actually suits me. And I mean, I think it does anyway. Maybe someone else begs to differ, but I know it's a little bit big, a little oversized, but I just feel comfy in this. Like, it just feels like I'm chilling somewhere, just sipping mimosas. I don't know. Like, this is just so comfy. This one was a little pricier. Doesn't even say it on here, but I think it was $430. But I just liked it a lot. I liked the material, I liked everything about it, and so I did just go ahead and splurge on myself with this one. Usually I wouldn't want to spend that much on a hat, but there's like, you know, if I like it, I just like it enough, I just want to have it, you know? Like, I don't want to wait. So and I do check sometimes, like, can I find it better deals, but this is from the outlet. Like, how am I gonna beat that? Next item is another Gucci belt in this dust bag, and I couldn't believe the price on this. So this belt is denim and this nice little like cognac brown color, which is like one of my favorites. Like, I just love, love, love it. Like, look how pretty that is. Stunning. And so this side's all cognac. Not that it's reversible. Like, no, it's not reversible, but I mean, I guess if you really tried, you could make it that. But yeah, so this side's that denim with the design, and I just thought it was super, super cute. And the price for this beautiful Gucci belt, $155. It was so nice. My mom even got it. We're just different sizes. Like, my mom's pretty tiny, so she got a much smaller belt, same exact one, but $155. That's such a good deal. And then I also got shoes. I love shoes. Usually I got Jimmy Choos, but this time it was Gucci. And I saw them and I just thought these are so cute. I wear my, I'll show you. I wear these all the time, especially when I travel. I wear them in the airport, my little Gucci Donald Duck shoes. And so I was like, you know what? These are white. And I'm like, I don't know how they're not more beat up with as much as I wear them, but I wanted to get something in a different color. So I did go ahead and get them in black. Obviously not the same shoe, but I just wanted a shoe that was dark and that I wasn't terrified to wear all the time. So this one has this like green interior right here. They have extra laces that they gave for it, which are the same color. I guess I kind of thought it was going to be a different color, but whatever. And then my little dust bag for it, or big dust bag. Oh wait, never mind, that was both of them. And yeah, so I just thought these were so cute. I had to have them. They're always low on like sizes, and pretty much always out of like what's like 37.5, 38, things like that. So good luck if you ever go to the Gucci outlet trying to find your size, but I'm super, super happy with these shoes. I also feel like they go so well with the hat. And even though the belt is denim, it still goes with that as well, like a blue. So it's like a darker and the other one's just bluer. So I'm really excited for this. Can't wait to wear them. Whatever country I go to next, I think I'm going to Spain next. Either Spain or Italy. So that's my next place that I'm going to, and probably just wear that there. Next, we've got one more item. Another pair of shoes. Camera's dying, so I'm gonna make this one quick. It's a pair of espadrilles. Oh, camera's dying. Really, really good deal on these. I think they were just under $200 or something, and just super, super cute, very casual, great for vacations, great with dresses, great with jeans. Can't really go wrong with a good pair of espadrilles. Had them in a million colors, but we got these. Camera is, the battery's dying, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all for the next one. Bye!